Here at Baebies, we strive to provide a consistent, effortless experience for our customers. Upon install in the initial login, you can expect the new Run icon to display a warning. The reason for this warning is that the deck is heating up to the right temperature. If this takes more than 5 minutes, restart the instrument and contact technical support. In the unlikely event that you need to reset the app data, hold down the app on the tablet screen, select App Info, then navigate to the Storage section. Select Clear Data and reopen the Viewer application. To level the instrument, go to the Navigation menu and then Configuration. From there, select Level Device. You will be presented with a screen to walk through leveling the instrument. Remove the bubble level from the accessory bag and place it on the rightmost side of the black instrument deck. Adjust the feet on the bottom of the instrument until the bubble is exactly centered. Once the bubble is centered, remove the bubble from the deck and press OK. The instrument deck should move to the open position. In the extremely unlikely event that the deck is closed with a cartridge inserted and did not open, the new Run button will display a warning. Do not attempt to pull the cartridge out. To fix this, click on the orange warning message. Read the warning and press Open to open the closed deck. The deck is now open and the new Run button should return to blue. The instrument will check to make sure that the cartridge and instrument have made a robust electrical connection. Sometimes this fails and a connection failure will be raised. To fix this issue, cancel this run and return to the completed test run screen. Restart with the same cartridge one more time. Most cartridges will pass the second time around. If this does not fix the issue, use the cleaning accessory by inserting and removing so that the Velcro on the end of the cartridge cleans the internal pins of the instrument. Do not attempt to run a test with the cleaning accessory. Compressed air can also be used as a technique to resolve connection failures. During the cartridge initialization, a layer of oil and diluent is dispersed on the cartridge surface. In the rare case this does not happen appropriately, an initialization failure will occur. Please follow the on-screen instructions. Discard the cartridge and use a new cartridge. After a successful cartridge check and a successful cartridge initialization, scan the sample and load the sample. After 40 seconds, the sample may fail to initialize. This is also rather rare. In this case, throw away the cartridge and try again with a new cartridge. A protocol failure may occur during the sample run. These failure modes are meant to protect against false results and should not happen often. In the event of a protocol failure, please discard the cartridge and retest using a new cartridge. Make sure to check that the sample has not clotted, as this can be a cause for certain protocol failures. In the case of recurrent issues, Baebies customer support may request for a de-identified device logs. To begin, ensure the provided USB is plugged into the back of the instrument. Once ready, press the Navigation menu. Follow this with selecting Export Device Logs. The export could take a few minutes. Once complete, a green check mark will appear on the screen, and a folder with the data will be on the USB drive. You can email these files to FINDER technical support or upload them through the Baebies website. To clean the FINDER instrument in between runs, spray a Kim wipe or other lint-free laboratory wipe with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Use that to wipe down the outside of the instrument and instrument deck. Do not spray anything directly into the FINDER instrument and refrain from using non-approved cleaning solutions. Customers are at the core of the Baebies mission. Technical support is always available to address your questions.